How to cancel your Shopify trial quick and easy. Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. To do this, you will log in on your Shopify account and then enter to your store. Once here, you will go to settings on the bottom left. Now you will go to plan, and once here, you will see the details of your plan. In this case, it is a trial store. As you can see, you will also see the billing cycle and the payment method. To deactivate this trial, you will simply go to deactivate trial at the bottom. Now, you will select a reason why you are going to close the store. You will choose one from this list. You can add something else, but it's optional. Then, go to continue. As you can see, when you deactivate the store, you will no longer have access to the Shopify control panel. This includes your sales data, reports, and information about customers and products. If you decide to give it another try, they will retain this information so you can easily get the store up and running again. Then just enter the password to deactivate it. You'll go to deactivate the store and you will have deactivated your Shopify plan. And that's it, guys. I hope it was useful for you. If you liked it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next video.